multiply your soap bar using just one ingredient. Look at how much it yields and also see how thick it becomes. Just like the ones sold in supermarkets. That's right folks, and this tip is very simple. First, you're gonna need a bar of glycerin soap. Then with a grater, let's go ahead and grate the entire bar. And look, here I've grated the whole bar, and now we're gonna need 4 cups of hot water, alright? And the water needs to be quite hot in order to dissolve all the soap. So water in, let's stir it very well. And this tip is extra easy, because you don't need to use pots or heating on the stove. You just need a container to make everything. After dissolving all the soap, now you're gonna add another 4 cups of hot water, okay? In total 4 cups, so first add 4 cups, then after dissolving the soap, add 4 more. And now just mix it very well. Okay, after that folks, now we're gonna need salt, the one you use for cooking. Here's a little more than 1 tablespoon of salt. So now go ahead and add it gradually. Add a little, then mix well. And you notice it's gonna start to clump. It seems like it's going wrong, but it's fine. Just stir well and it's gonna work out. Then add a little more salt and keep doing this until you've added all the salt. Now check this out folks. See how thick already? That's the exactly texture we're looking for. Now let's take a baking pan and place parchment paper like so. Then go ahead and pour the entire mixture. After that, you can just let it rest for a few hours, alright? I'll do just that, then I'll show you the result. And there you have it folks. After 3 hours or so, take a look at how thick it has become. And now, thanks to the parchment paper, it's pretty easy to unmold this. Just turn it upside down, and now let's put it here to cut. And see how easily the parchment paper comes off. That's pretty nice. And now you can cut it as you wish. Here I'm gonna cut it like the ones in supermarket. But you can do it as you prefer. And check this out everyone, it's just as good as the ones sold in the supermarkets. And if you want, you can go ahead and add a dye or even a nice fragrance. You can get creative here. But it's actually very good. So that's it. Try make this at home. I'm sure you're definitely gonna like the result.